Budapest is one of those rare cities that manages to feel both ancient and electric at the same time, split by the mighty Danube River into two distinct halves, Buda on the west and Pest on the east. This Hungarian capital has been drawing travelers from every corner of the world for centuries, and once you arrive it becomes immediately clear why. The architecture is jaw-dropping, the food is deeply satisfying, the nightlife is legendary, and the thermal baths are unlike anything else on the planet. Whether you are a history lover, a foodie, an adventure seeker, or someone who simply wants to wander beautiful streets with a coffee in hand, Budapest delivers on every front. So let us walk through the very best things to do when you find yourself in this extraordinary city. If there is one experience that defines Budapest more than any other, it is the thermal baths. The city sits on top of a network of natural hot springs, and the Hungarians have been building magnificent bathhouses above them for hundreds of years. The Széchenyi thermal bath is perhaps the most iconic, housed inside a stunning neo-Baroque palace in City Park. With its grand outdoor pools steaming in the open air, it feels like stepping into another era entirely. For something a little more intimate and historically rich, the Ruda's baths offer a rooftop pool with panoramic views of the Danube, along with a centuries-old Turkish dome that dates back to the 16th century. Going to a thermal bath in Budapest is not just a wellness activity. It is a cultural ritual that locals take seriously and visitors never forget. Perched high on a hill overlooking the Danube, the Buda Castle district is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most visually stunning areas in all of Central Europe. The Royal Palace itself is a massive complex that now houses the Hungarian National Gallery and the Budapest History Museum, both of which are absolutely worth exploring. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the castle district, and you will discover Matthias Church, a breathtaking Gothic structure adorned with colourful diamond-patterned roof tiles that shimmer in the sunlight. Just steps away is the Fisherman's Bastion, a fairy tale terrace with 7 towers representing the 7 Magyar tribes that founded Hungary. The views from here, especially at sunset or after dark when the city lights up, are simply unforgettable. The Széchenyi chain bridge is more than just a way to cross the Danube. It is a symbol of Budapest itself. Completed in 1849, it was the first permanent bridge connecting Buda and Pest, and walking across it gives you some of the most spectacular views of the city's skyline. On the Pest side, the energy shifts completely. The streets buzz with cafes, markets, and one of Budapest's most unique inventions, the ruin bar. Born in the early 2000s, ruin bars are built inside abandoned buildings and courtyards, decorated with mismatched furniture, vintage signs, and an atmosphere that is impossible to replicate. Simplakert is the original and most famous, and even if you visit during the day, the experience is unlike anything you will find in any other city in the world. No visit to Budapest is complete without spending time inside the Great Market Hall, a stunning iron and brick structure near the Liberty Bridge. Built in 1897, it remains the largest and oldest indoor market in the city. The ground floor is packed with fresh produce, Hungarian sausages, paprika in every shade of red, and handmade cheeses. Head upstairs and you will find traditional food stalls serving langos, deep-fried dough topped with sour cream and cheese, alongside goulash, stuffed cabbage, and chimney cake. Beyond the market, Budapest's restaurant scene has evolved dramatically in recent years, with a growing number of modern Hungarian restaurants reimagining classic dishes with contemporary techniques. Eating your way through this city is genuinely one of the great joys of travel, and Budapest makes it effortless at every turn.